The 90% rule says that if you want to know if two populations represent different subspecies, if there's enough differences between them to call them subspecies, what you do is you take 100 of this population, 100 of that population, you mix them together, and if you can resort them back into their correct populations at about 90% accuracy, then they're subspecies. And is there anybody on Earth who could not sort these into their appropriate populations? Or these? Okay, very clearly the humans, different human races have evolved to become different human subspecies. And anybody who denies that is either a slimy leftist Marxist or a complete idiot. And this book, which you can come and look at, is in every university library in the world. There's a lot of recent stuff that's coming out. And I said every day there's new stuff that's coming out. And very exciting stuff. And for example, some of the new stuff, new analyses suggest that, in fact, modern humans did not evolve in Africa, but they evolved outside of Africa. And then they moved into Africa. So it's not that it's not out of Africa, it's actually into Africa. Secondly, non-Africans did not descend from Africans, but they're sister groups. And here's one. Okay, the bottom line is that for the most part, each human subspecies was superbly shaped by evolution to be adapted to that particular environment. You can't say which race is the best, because each race was supreme in its own particular habitat. The Mongolians and Eskimos are superior for cold. The Tibetans are superior for high altitude. The Somali are superior for deserts. Pygmies are superior for tropical rainforests. Africans are superior against African diseases, and Europeans are superior against European diseases. This is exactly what we would expect from evolution. Now, fortunately for us, Europeans are superior at problem solving and inventions. No other subspecies comes even close to what we've accomplished. Virtually everything in this room was invented by Europeans. And Europeans also invented how to build safe, healthy, and free societies with high standards of living, opportunities, and culture. This is Western civilization. Most other human subspecies attempt to emulate us, and a great many of them dream of immigrating into our nation to reap the benefits that we have created. You know, my friend says, what does it matter if the races are different? It matters because truth matters. And it's better to base your decisions, it's better to base a society's decisions on truth instead of fantasy. You know, white nations have spent trillions of dollars. We've bent over backwards attempting to impose equality. We've been attempting to turn people of color into white people for 400 years. But the different races are different. They're not equal. And that's due to different evolutionary histories. It's just basic biology. And it's time that we face that fact and build a society built on truth. Okay, thank you very much.